Do you say apple or apples? One small S can change your whole sentence. Apple, apple. I eat an apple every morning. Apples, apples. I buy apples at the market. Banana, bananas, banana. She peels a banana for breakfast. Bananas, bananas. She peels bananas for the kids. Orange, oranges, orange. He eats an orange after lunch. Oranges, oranges. He buys oranges for the week. Mango, mangoes, mango. This is a mango. Mangoes, mangoes. These are mangoes. Grape, grapes, grape. I eat a grape slowly. Grapes, grapes. I wash grapes before eating. Strawberry, strawberries, strawberry. She eats a strawberry. Strawberries, strawberries. She eats strawberries with cream. Watermelon, watermelons, watermelon. We share a watermelon on a hot day. Watermelons, watermelons. We buy watermelons for the party. Pineapple, pineapples, pineapple. He cuts a pineapple slowly. Pineapples, pineapples. He buys pineapples for breakfast. Pear, pears, pear. I pack a pear for lunch. Pears, pears. I pack pears for the trip. Peach, peaches, peach. He bites a peach gently. Peaches, peaches. He washes peaches before eating. Cherry, cherries, cherry. I pick a cherry from the tree. Cherries, cherries. I eat cherries slowly. Kiwi, kiwis, kiwi. I cut a kiwi in half. Kiwis, kiwis. I slice kiwis for salad. Lemon, lemons, lemon. She squeezes a lemon on food. Lemons, lemons. She buys lemons every week. Papaya, papayas, papaya. He eats a papaya after dinner. Papayas, papayas. He serves papayas for dessert. Blueberry, blueberries, blueberry. I eat a blueberry. Blueberries, blueberries. I add blueberries to yogurt. Plum, plums, plum. She eats a plum. Plums, plums. She buys plums from the market. Coconut, coconuts, coconut. They drink a coconut water. Coconuts, coconuts. They buy coconuts for the beach. Pomegranate, pomegranates, pomegranate. I open a pomegranate carefully. Pomegranates, pomegranates. I buy pomegranates for the salad. Guava, guavas, guava. She cuts a guava. Guavas, guavas. She buys guavas for the family. Fig, figs, fig. I taste a fig. Figs, figs. I buy figs from the market. Apricot, apricots, apricot. He eats an apricot. Apricots, apricots. He buys apricots in summer. Lychee, lychees, lychee. She peels a lychee slowly. Lychees, lychees. She eats lychees with friends. Date, dates, date. I eat a date in the evening. Dates, dates. I eat dates after dinner. Raspberry, raspberries, raspberry. He adds a raspberry to cake. Raspberries, raspberries. He adds raspberries to dessert. Blackberry, blackberry, blackberry. She picks a blackberry carefully. Blackberries, blackberries. She eats blackberries from the bush. Which word will you use today? Comment below. Hit like if you learned something and subscribe for daily vocab wins.